Today we have another 911 Turbo 50 in for exhaust upgrade, and here in Malaysia we have very few of this highly exclusive limited edition 911 Turbo 50. So this marks the number 3rd unit in our shop for our best-selling Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. So now before we begin the installation, as usual, we'll start up the Turbo 50, do some revs, listen how does the car sounds like with the factory exhaust system before we install with the Akrapovic exhaust. For the Turbo 50 today, we are going to install the Akrapovic titanium slip-on raised line system, which is the Catback section. So this is the original Catback that we remove out from the car. As you can see, it is very bulky and also it's very heavy. And right over here, this muffler box, it kills off a lot of sound on the turbo. So when you have this original exhaust on the car, it doesn't sound loud at all, even though the valves are fully open. And right over here, this is the completely redesigned titanium slip-on raised line system by Akrapovic. As you can see, this is a non-resonated exhaust. It does not have any muffler, does not have any resonators at all. So basically it's separated to two different diameter pipes. These larger pipes is where when the valves are fully open, the car will sound loud, and these smaller diameter pipes is where the exhaust gas flow will flow into when the valves are closed. The Akrapovic titanium slip-on raised line system is made out of full titanium material, so this is extremely lightweight. It is a lot lighter compared to the original exhaust. According to the Akrapovic officials, with this titanium slip-on raised line system installed, you will get about 9.6 kilograms of weight reduction, and that is a massive 65% of weight reduction over this very heavy stock Catback section. Besides the weight reduction on the exhaust system, you will also get some proper performance improvements. So according to Akrapovic, their dyno shows that with the slip-on raised line system installed, you will get 22.3 horsepower and 46.8 Newton meters of torque increase by installing this slip-on raised line system alone. There's no any tuning needed, no remap needed. Just install the slip-on raised line system. So that's all for the product explanation part. Now we'll get back to work to install the Akrapovic exhaust onto the Turbo 50, and later, once we have everything done, we'll start up the car, do a sound check and also a sound comparison, listen to how does the Akrapovic exhaust sounds like compared to the original exhaust system. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is the 3rd unit of the 911 Turbo 50 in our shop for Akrapovic exhaust upgrade. So for the 2 cars that we did in the past, both of them are equipped with the optional Heritage Design Package. While this one we have here today, it does not have the Heritage Design Package, obviously. This is the Turbonite package for the 911 Turbo 50. So what are the main differences between the Heritage Design Package and also the Turbonite version? First of all, the most obvious part is the wheels. So this Turbonite edition, it comes with the regular 911 Turbo S exclusive design wheels. Then right behind the wheels, you have the carbon ceramic brakes, and the calipers are optionally painted in black color. And to the door sides, as you can see, all the decals, you do not have the white color decals like the one that you have on the Heritage Design Package, but instead, these are all finished off in a very unique dark metal silver color. And to the rear engine cover, you do have the Turbo 50 badge as well, but it is finished off in a monotone color, black and silver. Unlike the Heritage design package, this badge is finished off in gold color. And right over here on the Heritage design package, the Turbo 50 emblem is finished off in a very striking gold color, but the Turbonite version, you will get this dark metal silver color emblem, while for the emblem, the Porsche emblem right over here, there are also options in black color. The owner also did option to go with the clear tail lights instead of the standard red color tail lights. And here is the Akrapovic titanium exhaust that we have already fitted on the car. Moving to the interior, the Turbonite version do have the Turbo 50 LED logo as well once you open the door. Then right over here, you have the illuminated Turbo 50 door sills as well. While for this Turbo 50, the owner, he didn't option to go with a fancy interior, so the interior, it is fully finished with a black color tone, everything leather. And right over here, you do have the Turbo 50 logo, Turbo 50 emblem. This is the number 188 units out of 1974 units. So for this Turbo 50, is basically a brand new car, almost delivery mileage. The owner has only driven the car for 123 kilometers, not even completed the run-in program yet, and today the car is being sent in for an exhaust change because the original exhaust is just too quiet. That's how the Akrapovic titanium slip-on race light system sounds like on the Turbo 50. So let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the Akrapovic sound on the Turbo 50, and also do let us know what do you think about the specs, the color on this Turbonite edition 911 Turbo 50. As we say, this is the third unit in Malaysia to be equipped with an Akrapovic exhaust system. We definitely hope to see more of this Turbo 50 here in our place to upgrade with the Akrapovic exhaust system. So if you enjoy our content, like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We'll see you in our next video.